Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we have sine 80 square. So we need to put this one go to the right. Next, I will put this one go in here. Next, we have the next one. So number one, that is about 1 square. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we put the negative on numerator and denominator. And this one we change by 1 minus cosine 80. Later that, we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. And now we put number 0 cone here. And we have negative number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.